Greetings, success seekers. Welcome to the Inspiration Nation Motivation YouTube channel. Today, we're navigating the fascinating world of financial success, achieving financial goals, wealth creation, and financial independence. Before we delve into the intricacies of financial success, make sure to subscribe for more empowering content and share your decision-making insights in the comments. Let's build a community that thrives on making informed and impactful choices. Join us in unlocking the secrets of financial success with insights from three exceptional individuals: Jeff Bezos, Ursula Burns, and Napoleon Hill. Learn how these icons achieved their financial goals, created wealth, and attained financial independence, and discover actionable strategies for your own journey to financial success. Jeff Bezos. The visionary entrepreneur and founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, transformed the way we shop online. His mantra, "Your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room," reflects his commitment to building a successful business by prioritizing customer satisfaction. Ursula Burns. As the first Black woman to lead a Fortune 500 company, Ursula Burns, former CEO of Xerox, paved the way for diversity in leadership. Her mantra, "Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you," signifies her journey to financial success through perseverance and breaking barriers. Napoleon Hill. The influential author and self-help guru, Napoleon Hill, authored Think and Grow Rich, a timeless guide to achieving financial success. His mantra, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve," reflects his emphasis on mindset and positive thinking in the pursuit of wealth. Jeff Bezos. Bezos's strategy was customer centricity. He achieved financial success by prioritizing customer needs, building trust, and delivering exceptional value, laying the foundation for Amazon's exponential growth. Ursula Burns. Burns' strategy involved resilience. She navigated challenges, shattered glass ceilings, and achieved financial success by maintaining resilience, adapting to change, and continually pushing boundaries. Napoleon Hill. Hill's strategy was mindset mastery. He emphasized the power of positive thinking, goal setting, and belief in one's ability to achieve financial success. Speak on the following: customer centricity of Jeff Bezos, resilience of Ursula Burns, and mindset mastery of Napoleon Hill, to pave your way to financial success. As we conclude today's journey, always remember that wellness is a state of mind just as much as it is a state of the body, and little changes can go a long way. It's been our pleasure to serve you, and stay motivated.